Hi, I'm Dr. Jason Tripp, the creator of the Nerve Renew Neuropathy Restoration System. I've always been passionate about neurology. I've always wanted to seek the things about how the body works and how the brain works and what have you. But about 15, 20 years ago, I started developing neuropathy symptoms myself. And so I could see how it was robbing me of my life and how it robbed those people that suffer from this debilitating disease of their life. And I decided to devote my time, my energy, my efforts into creating a system that could consistently help people come back from that desperate place, from that place of really lack of hope that anything could be done. And that's the way I felt. You see, what happened for me is when I was 17, the day before my birthday, I ended up having an auto accident. And the auto accident bulged and herniated 7 of the discs in my back. I suffered for years. I went to medical doctors and I went to physical therapists and acupuncturists and osteopaths and chiropractors, and really nothing seemed to be getting me help. And it was kind of embarrassing being a chiropractor and yet still having this bad back from these discs. Well, over time, that gradually became worse, and I ended up developing other conditions as a result of it. And one of those was the neuropathy. I had terrible burning in my feet, and the burning would go on while I was treating my patients. So I'd slide my shoes off so that I could stand just a little bit, wiggle my feet, move around a little bit to try to do something to alleviate that pain. Well, I decided I had to do something not only to get me better, but to be able to consistently show other people how to as well. And so I created the system that's called Nerve Renew Neuropathy Restoration System. And what it is it's a way to turn your health around and to get things going back on the right track again, to get your life back. Because one thing I saw was that people who suffer with neuropathy really started to give up on things. They stopped taking walks, or some of them stopped working, had to retire early, those kind of things, or they gave up hobbies, or they don't spend as much time with family. And I knew that I didn't want to let that happen to anybody that I knew. And I saw that traditional medicine was failing us, and so they had medications that slow your brain down. They're made for seizures instead of actually for your feet, but that's the best that they had to offer. And I knew we had to come up with a new system, and so our system is more holistic based. We address multiple facets of how your body works and enable you to get back on the right track. And so with this Nerve Renew system, you can actually do the VIP upgrade. And in that VIP upgrade, basically what you're going to be getting is you would come into the office and do a consultation with me where we talk about what is going on with your neuropathy, and I can see exactly what you're going through relative to how you need to get better. And then we do a screening of the blood flow in your body using thermal imaging. And then a balance screening to be able to find out what kind of fall risk you might have, or if you're off balance, or if you're having neuropathy, you're going to be off balance. And if you're off balance, the risk of falls is there. And so that VIP upgrade is $49. It allows you to see if you have neuropathy, a little bit more about what's going on. And so I recommend definitely call to get that set up today. 724-342-2225. I'm looking forward to meeting you.